Okay guys, so today we are doing more NCT miles. As you can see, we're at the North Country Trailhead in New Straitsville. If you want to know how to get here, just search in Google and say North Country Trailhead, New Straitsville, and it'll pop up. Now you do need to understand, if you come here, the roads back to here are gravel. They're not terrible, but if you've got a low riding car, it's probably not a good idea to bring it. I would suggest like a regular SUV, that height of clearance is probably fine. But it's a little bit of a rough road. It's not a paved road, it's a gravel road. It's actually nicely graveled, but it's a little bumpy. So when looking for it, you know, that usually throws people off. So I like to tell people that. Now, we're gonna take this trailhead from New Straitsville over to Tecumseh Lake over in Shawnee. That's our end point. Don't know what the mileage is. All we can do is look at the map and kind of guess. So we'll give you all those totals as we go. But this trailhead's real plain. I mean, it's got the sign here. It does have a trailhead marker, like a placard. But when you look at it, it's pretty much just a field with some parking along the end. And when you look this way, there's just this concrete pillars and the pole and the trailhead thing there, but it's kind of hidden from the road. But there is a sign across the street that parks that this is the North Country trailhead. So it's not terrible to find, and Google will lead you right to it. So here we go. Let's see what kind of miles we can get today. All right, so I've been on some rolling hills here. It's kind of a cross between like a compost and a sandy mix. A little bit of rocks, not much. It's really nice out here. There's pretty much shade everywhere. And we came out early enough that the heat of the day and the bugs aren't terrible yet. I know you guys probably couldn't see that, but we just jumped a coyote. Missy caught something moving in her eye. I think it was down that culvert, wasn't it, honey? It's probably eating something down there. But it went up that hill, but it wasn't like on a full run. It wasn't scared of us. The trick is now is look around and see if it was a lone male or if there's a pack. I have no concerns over lone males. You get a pack of about 8 or 10 of them that are hungry, they'll stalk you till you leave their area. You probably won't see them usually. You'll hear them though. Looks like he was kind of a loner. He's a big one though. Pretty one. Oh yeah, he's eating well.
So we just went around a corner and there was a whole pack. I seen at least 3 coyotes. So they're definitely still in the area and they're definitely keeping an eye on us. So we're just gonna walk down through here, be a little bit louder than normal. But I mean, they're still staying back a distance, but close enough that you can see them from time to time. So we're gonna keep an eye out and we'll let you know how it goes.
So we've lost our tails. The coyotes took off. We dropped in on this road and it's actually a welcome change. It's nice and cool. We're not real exposed. The pond over here. Nice blazes along the road tell us where we're going. A lot of wildflowers grow in the ditches. So yeah, it's a nice change of pace. Not complaining. It's pretty cool. You kind of look up back when we were on the trail back there and you see a shadow or you see a tail, them coyotes chasing us, but I don't know if somebody's been feeding them or if this is just their area and they're just being watchful. Not really sure. This isn't a real heavily traveled area, so could be a lot of different reasons, but we're enjoying ourselves and we're at a muddy part in the road, so time to get back to it. So I'm kind of concerned because somewhere out here is Cinderella because she lost her shoe. We're gonna have to find her and give the princess back her shoe because it still has its nails in it and everything. Honey, we gotta find Cinderella. We gotta go find Cinderella, give her shoe back, her slipper, because
Sure, it's uncomfortable for her.
walking through the mud without her shoe is probably not very fun. Come on, we're off to find Cinderella.
So we've been walking through this nice pine forest. It's been nice gust of wind going by. Feels like fall out here even though it's not. Just awesome, awesome day. All right, so we made it to the Old Stone Church Horse Trailhead and Overflow camping area. I'll show you the trailhead maps there. It's absolutely a beautiful beautiful campsites here. Really nice. All right, on we go.
All right, so now we're on a full-blown road walk, which is all right. Sun's not terribly beating us right now, so we're just gonna enjoy it, get down to where we cut back into the woods. All right, guys, so as you can see, we made it to Tecumseh Lake back here in the village of Shawnee. And we definitely miscalculated the miles. Now, in our defense, our laptop's touchscreen. And the map we were going off of, we were like, I was going like this with my finger, trying to figure it out, and it was set on 0.4 of a mile. So I thought, you know, 8 miles. Yeah. The North Country Trail trailhead to here is not 8 miles.
Nowhere near.
And it was how much, honey?
We got approximately 12.5 miles. So we were at 41 miles for our NCT miles. With that, 12.5 brings us up to 53 because we always average down. Yeah, we rolled the number down. So 53 miles of our 100 we need. Definitely miscalculated that. I'll take that one on me. Normally, if we had like on our tablet or something, I would take a string and like lay it on and then measure against the key to get a more accurate number, but our laptop's touch screen, so you can't touch it. Well, that's okay. We needed the miles. We were happy to do them. It was a great trail. Very well groomed.
Yeah.
Well marked. We didn't question really hardly ever where we were at. We didn't have great maps. We didn't really have GPS to follow.
No.
So.
And there at the end, it turned into a spider web factory, but that's to be expected this time of year. So.
Terrible spiders.
Oh yeah, spiders everywhere, and in the webs too. So you knock them down, they come crawling up your arms. It's fun. Good
12.5 miles. We're happy with it.
Yep, and got to have a pack of coyotes running around, stalking us, watching us. That was pretty cool too.
It was pretty cool.
But just a good day overall. We had a good time, and now it's time to go find a Diet Coke or a Diet Pepsi or Diet something, Diet Mountain Dew.
Something to eat.
And some food.
I'm hungry.
Yep, so we'll see you in the next one.
We'll see you up the trail.